Big shout out to Gino for posting this Deal Team 6. Deal Team 6 has been killing it this holiday season with all these Black Friday deals. Black Friday 2022 holiday season. Guys, we got another hack, another Ryobi hack. This is a killer hack. Alright, so we got the buy one get one free. It's just the same as the other hack we saw earlier, but this is different. We do get a high performance HP battery, a big high performance HP battery, which is a 4 amp hour starter kit. 159. Guys, before we continue, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. Yes, guys, make sure you guys do all that so you guys won't miss any of the deals. I will be posting every day new Black Friday deals until I can't post anymore, because there's a whole bunch of deals coming up. You guys, it's unbelievable this year how many deals we got. Home Depot's killing it this year. All right, so we got the buy one get one free. So you do choose the free gift with purchase. Check this out, guys. There's a surprise in here. You got the brushless 1/4 inch mode 4-mode impact driver for $99. You got the 1/4 inch extended reach ratchet for $169. You can choose any of those, or you can choose the brushless cordless 4.5 angle grinder, valued at $139. These are all brushless tools again. Check this out, guys. You guys can choose the high torque impact wrench. This is, a lot of you are commenting down below on the comments, hey, that's not a high torque. It says right there, it's $219. High torque. If you guys can't read, make sure you guys read right there. It says high torque impact wrench. So it says 1 HP 18 volt brushless cordless 4-mode 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench for $219, guys. That's the beast. That's Milwaukee DNA. You guys know Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Rigid are owned by TTI. They send all these, to the same companies to make their tools. So obviously this is not gonna be as good, as high quality as Milwaukee, but it is gonna be very, very close, and it's probably gonna be just about a few inch pounds less, power. So guys, that's a killer deal. Jump on that SAP. That will sell out. And you guys are confusing it with this one, because a lot of you tell me, oh, that's not a high torque, that's just a 4-mode. This is the mid torque. So there's two different ones. This one is eligible too. You guys can get the mid torque. So if you don't want the big boy, this thing's huge, heavy. You would just want something that's, still heavy, but it's not as big. This one will do about 600, I believe. I can't get the top of the numbers here up on my head. Around 600 or so, maybe 700. You got the 4-mode 1/2 inch impact wrench, valued at $179. Got the circular saw, brushless 7 1/4 circular saw, valued at $139. Obviously, the ones that are more money are the better ones to get with this deal. You're getting more out of your buck, or out of your $159 thing. So you got Ryobi 18-volt brushless jigsaw, valued at $139. You got the brushless cordless multi-tool, valued at $119. And you guys are seeing the trend there, which ones are worth, which ones are not. Got the brushless reciprocating saw, valued at $139. Obviously, these first tools, even this impact wrench is gonna fly off. Even this 4-mode impact wrench is gonna fly off the shelves. This one, no doubt. All right, guys, I'll leave you guys the link. This one's a good one too. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. And before we go, let me just add the high torque, give you guys the final numbers, select the item, add both to cart. $92.12, guys, for the high torque impact wrench. That is a killer deal. Go get them, guys. This battery, $66 with the charger. Go get them. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.